Question 22. Given the quadratic equation 3x squared minus 5x equals minus 2, find the product of the roots. Now, they want us, in this question, the question is asking us to calculate the product of the roots. This is the equation given 3x squared minus fx equals minus 2. We have like this. Now, let's rewrite this to be in the proper form of quadratic equation, because this is general form of quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So we can write this to have that form: 3x squared minus 5x. By the time I bring this in, we have plus 2 equals 0. Now, the question asks us to calculate product of root. To get the product of root of quadratic equation, the product of root is equals to c over a. Now, how do you get our c? How do you get our a? And general form of quadratic equation is this that I've written here. In this case, a is coefficient of x squared, which is 3, and b is coefficient of x, which is minus 5, and c is the constant, which is 2. Now, to get the product of root, what we need is c. So product of root is equals to c over a. Our c here is 2 and our a here is 3. So this is the product of the root is 2 over 3. The correct option here is option A. Ṣó le kò le.